Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Ignition Coin wallet from 1.0.0.3 to the newly released version 1.1 on Windows. Before I dig in though, I just want to give a huge shout out to Technium and the entire dev team for making 1.1 possible. All their time and effort is greatly appreciated, and if you see them on Discord, just send them a thank you, maybe tip them, but thank you guys again for making Ignition Coin better and getting us one step closer to making a better ecosystem. So now with the Ignition Coin wallet pulled up, we're going to make sure and check our version. So to do that, just click on Help and then About Ignition and make sure you're on 1.0.0.3. After that's done, we're going to go ahead and back up the data files for Ignition Coin wallet that's needed for the upgrade. To do that, just go ahead and click on Settings and then click on Show Auto Backups. Now that you're here, the folder that we want to concentrate on is the Ignition folder. So go ahead and just click that. And then we're going to need 3 files to back up. The ignition.com, the wallet.dat, and masternode.com. If masternode.com is not there, don't worry about it. That just means you're not running a masternode through the wallet. But since it's here, we're going to go ahead and just copy that over. So the best way to do this is to make a new folder on the desktop. And we're just going to call it Ignition Backup. And we'll open this up. Now we're just going to go ahead and copy these files over. So ignition.com, masternode.com, as well as wallet.dat. It's crucial that you back these up. Now that all 3 of these files are backed up, we're going to go ahead and go back one directory into the roaming directory, and we're going to just delete Ignition. Before we do this though, make sure that you close the Ignition wallet, or else you won't be able to delete that folder. So we'll go ahead and delete that folder. Now we'll go ahead and get the Ignition Coin Wallet 1.1 version. So go to ignitioncoin.org and go ahead and click on Get IC Wallet. Then go ahead and click the .exe for Windows. You'll see here it says 1.0.0.3 still. 1.1 was not released when this video was made, but as soon as 1.1 is released, then the correct binary will be here and this will say 1.1. So I already have 1.1 downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and close my browser and go to my downloads folder. And then I'm going to double click on this to launch it. Now this is going to go ahead and synchronize, which is fine. As soon as the synchronization is over, we can go ahead and copy these files back into the Ignition Coin data folder. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and just wait for this to complete. Alright, so now that the Ignition Coin Wallet 1.1 is done syncing, what we want to do is, just like the first step, go to Settings and Show Auto Backups. Now that you're in this folder, what we want to do is go to the Ignition folder. So go ahead and just click on it to go into that directory. Now, the goal here is to copy the 3 files that we backed up from the Ignition Coin Wallet 1.0.0.3. But before I do that, make sure you close your Ignition Coin wallet so that we can copy the data over safely. So now that the Ignition Coin wallet is closed, we can go ahead and select these 3 files, which contains your wallet data, your masternode data if you run a masternode through the wallet, and then of course the Ignition Coin wallet configuration data. So you might have only 2 files here, that's fine. Masternode might not be one of them, but that's fine. So in this instance, we're going to go ahead and copy these 3 files. So select them all, copy, and then in the Ignition data directory here, let's go ahead and paste, and then overwrite. Now, if you saw, in the beginning when I had Ignition Coin Wallet 1.0.3, you saw that I had a balance. And you saw that once the Ignition Coin Wallet 1.1 was done syncing, you noticed that I didn't have a balance. So that's because all that data is in the wallet.dat. And as soon as we fire up 1.1 with the copied over configuration, we should get that balance back. So let's go ahead and go to my downloads folder where I downloaded the Ignition Coin Wallet 1.1. We'll go ahead and launch it. And you'll see here my balance is back. My recent transactions is back as well. So that's pretty much it for the upgrade process. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. You can find us in Discord at discord.io/ignition. Thank you very much.